Have you ever wondered how celestial alignments could impact the roller coaster of your daily life? In the realm of astrology, hard aspects are pivotal. These are the challenging angles that planets make with each other on the astrological chart, sparking dynamic tensions and growth. The most common of these are the square, where planets align at 90 degrees, and the opposition at 180 degrees. These aspects are known for stirring up life's waters, prompting both conflict and profound transformation. But why do these specific angles have such a powerful effect? It's because they force us to confront obstacles, integrate opposing energies, and ultimately evolve. Imagine two planets pulling in different directions, each one demanding focus and change in specific areas of our lives. For example, when Mars squares Pluto, you might experience intense power struggles or bursts of assertive energy. Or when the Sun opposes the Moon, it highlights the tug-of-war between your personal identity and emotional needs. These moments are opportunities for deep personal growth and understanding. But remember, these cosmic interactions are not just celestial dances. They are mirrors to our own earthly struggles and growth. Through understanding hard aspects, we gain insight into the challenges we face, why they exist, and how we can navigate them more effectively. So next time life feels like a bit of a struggle, take a look at the stars. Maybe they're aligning to teach you something important. Stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the transformative power of hard aspects in astrology.